Hey everyone, we are here again with another guest, Naksh Jajodia, in the session of Voices and Visions. Voices and Visions is an interview series which is started by our club, Learn and Lead. Hey Naksh, how are you?
I am fine.
How are you feeling
How are
today?
you? What?
How are you feeling today?
I am thrilled about this upcoming session
Okay.
and I am eager to discover what insight you have taken from me.
I have lot of questions for you. Are you excited?
Yeah,
I'm also excited to know about your visions, your ideas, your perceptions. What are your thoughts? What do you want to tell to the world, to your parents, to your viewers? So I'm also excited to know a lot about you.
yeah.
Yeah?
Same.
Okay. So let's begin with this session. Let's begin with this session now. Okay, Naksh, first tell me something about yourself.
I have come from a very loving and supportive family.
Mm-hmm.
We all share a strong bond and my family is always there for me, whether it is for advice, support or just having fun together.
Okay, very nice. And tell me one thing. You have a lot of good habits
Yeah,
and bad habits as well.
yeah.
Okay, so now tell me one thing you like the most about you.
I like my ability to stay calm under pressure. It helps me take better decisions and tackle challenges in a more systematic manner.
Okay, so you are calm, you think?
Yeah,
You remain calm in difficult situation as well. Okay, that is a very good, trait. I would say human trait.
yeah,
People do not usually lose their calm initially. In every difficult situation, the first thing we do, we lose our calm. And if you are calm, that's a very good thing.
I do meditation.
You do meditation for that. Oh my God, what's your age?
12.
Okay, at the age of 12, you're meditating to remain calm.
Yeah.
But we have a lot to learn from you, Naksh. Very good. Okay, Naksh, what is one habit you have? This is about your good habits, yeah? So you have bad habit as well?
Yeah.
So what is one bad habit you're going to change?
Like sometimes I tend to delay. I am trying to focus on make my time management more efficient and organized.
Okay. So you are not organized person. You can't manage time properly.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is one thing you want to learn. And this is your bad habit. Punctuality. You are unpunctual. Is that so?
Yes.
Okay. So, Naksh, what do you want to become when you grow up? Do you have some goals, some dreams set?
Yes. Like I want to become an IPS officer
IPS officer.
and contribute positivity to society.
Mm-hmm.
And my dream is to travel to different countries and learn about their unique cultures.
Okay, you want to travel to different countries and learn about the unique culture. That's a very good thing. You're curious, you're interested to know about the world, what's going around in the world.
Yeah.
And you want to become an IPS officer.
Yes.
What are you doing to become that officer?
I'm studying.
You're okay. At present, you are doing only study. You're
Yeah.
focusing on your studies. So you are you aware of current affairs? You read newspapers or what? Do you do that?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, do that. If you want to become an IPS officer, then you must be aware of the current affairs.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Okay. Tell me something. You have friends, lot of friends,
Yeah.
right? So tell me something about your friends now. They are very important partner. That's why I asked this question from everyone. So tell me something about your friends.
My friends are very supportive and loyal to me.
Mm-hmm.
We enjoy spending time together, whether it is talking about our dreams, helping each other through challenges, or just having fun together.
Okay. So you have lots of friends or just handful of friends?
Many friends.
Huh?
Many friends.
Many friends. Okay. Who's your best friend? Can you take one name?
Divyam.
Divyam. Okay, Divyam is listening to you. Divyam, you are his best friend. Remember that, huh? Okay. So, how important they are for you?
They are very important to me. They are like my second family, and I truly value the connection I have with them.
Of course, of course. They are our second family.
Yes.
Definitely. So, Naksh, my next question to you is if I give you a chance to change something in this world, what it would be?
I would change Indian government.
Indian government? Why?
Like,
You don't like Modi ji?
I'm like, ma'am, but they show only the good things about the country.
Okay.
And they should focus on building more proper roads, women empowerment, and etc.
You want to work on these things which
Yeah.
are weak in our country.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to work on women empowerment. You want to work on the roads of our
Yeah.
country. So you want to work on that, and that's why you want to change the government. Do you think the next government will come and do the work on these
And
things?
they would like they can focus like to build more proper roads. Ma'am, near my house only, there are very bad roads. All the dust particles
Potholes are there.
move
Okay.
there. All the dust particles move there.
Okay. So that's what you do not like.
Yeah.
at all. Nobody likes it, right? So our government must work on this. So
Yeah.
give this message. Please work on this.
Please
thing.
work.
Otherwise, I'm going to change you. When I'll
Otherwise-
become a voter, I'm going to change you. I won't vote you. Okay? Okay. So, my next question to you is if you could invent something new, what it would be?
Ma'am, I would invent a device that help people stay organized. It could track their tasks, goals, and provide reminders in a way that feels natural.
You don't want to remind it yourself. You want to
Like after using that, they will have a habit like I have to do now this. Like,
Okay, because you are not good at time management.
yeah.
So that's why you want to invent this machine. Okay, nice idea. Not a bad idea. Anyway, there is mobile as well. You can put reminder in mobile as well. You can do that. Just a suggestion. Otherwise, you are free to invent anything. Okay, Naksh. You want to become successful in your life.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much successful? Very successful person.
Like,
Yeah. So, what according to you is the definition of? We all want to become successful, right? So, what according to you is the meaning of success? Because I have different meaning of success. Your friend might have different meaning of success. What is the meaning of success according to you?
according to me, success means achieving goals that matters to me while also helping others along the way.
Wow, what a good answer you have given. That it should not be profitable to you only, but it should be good for the society and the community as well. The people who are connected to you, it should be good for them. Okay, so it would be a mutual success,
Yeah.
not your personal success.
Everyone should do that. Right?
Huh?
Everyone should do that.
Okay, very nice. Nice thoughts, very good thoughts. Adishya? Oh, sorry. Naksh. Okay. Okay, my next question to you is Naksh. You receive advices.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the best advice you have received so far, and from whom?
From the best advice I have listened from my mother. She told me a quote that
She told me.
quote that when you are born, you cry and the world rejoices. So live your life in such a way that when you die, you will rejoice and the world cries.
That's a very deep thought
Yeah.
and very deep suggestion. Your mother gave it to you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a very good suggestion. Yes, do something great. But I'm not talking about the dying and all. But yes, you must do something great in your life. The people must remember you even when you are not in the world.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice, good thought. Keep it up. Work on that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Adish. Oh, sorry. Naksh. Okay. What is something you are good at that might surprise others?
Like I'm good at memorizing the answer. Like if I remember one answer, I can remember it to say 5 to 6 months.
You are good at memorizing answers.
Yeah.
You memorize answer or you understand the concept? What do you do exactly? Sometimes you memorize.
Ma'am, in some subject I memorize, in some subject I like
You understand the
understand
concept.
the concept.
Okay, but the best way to learn the answer is to understand the concept. Once you understand the concept of the chapter, the entire chapter, you will be able to write answers yourself. And further in your life, this process is a best process. You know?
Yeah, my family.
Because you cannot memorize long answers. After a certain point, you will not be able to memorize the whole answers.
My family told me.
Told me, no? Yeah, so you should work on this. Very nice. Okay, Naksh. Um, you go to school, we learn a lot of things at school.
Yeah.
What is the best thing you have learned in school so far?
The best thing I have learned from the school so far is how to think critically and solve problems. It helped me approach challenges in a more systematic and thoughtful way.
Okay, nice. In a more systematic and thoughtful way.
Yeah.
Very good. School helps us so much. They educate us. They are an important part of our lives. Okay, if I give you a chance to travel anywhere in the world, where would you like to go?
Now I would like to visit Egypt because of its unique history and beauty. I think it would be an amazing experience to explore.
You want to visit those pyramids?
Yeah.
Even pyramids excites me as well. Even I want to visit those pyramids. I didn't get any chance yet. But let's see. Maybe in near future we can go there together. Yeah. Okay. So, what are you looking forward to do in future?
I'm looking forward to grow both personally and professionally.
Okay.
And I'm excited about the opportunities that lie ahead.
Personally, on personal terms, what do you want to do?
Like I want to make my body healthier
Healthier. Okay.
and more stronger,
Mm-hmm.
build my stamina and etc.
Absolutely, you must work on your health. I mean, everyone should take care of their health because health is wealth. It's a very true statement. Whoever has given this statement is a very true and very meaningful statement. Health is wealth. Even if you get everything in the world, but if your health is not supporting you, you'll never be able to enjoy those luxuries in your life.
Yeah.
Okay, so health is wealth. This is most important. Very good. Okay, Naksh. What are the things you're grateful for in your life?
I am grateful for my family,
Mhm.
friends,
Mhm.
and the opportunities that I have enough to learn and grow. My life has been full of blessings, and I'm thankful for each day and the chance to learn and grow every day.
You think your life is blessed?
Yeah,
You have lots of blessings.
yeah,
We have good families. We have a home. We have meals. We have got everything. So the thing is, these are the blessings of life. Because a lot of people, they do not have
Their parents.
proper home. They do not have family to share their happiness with. They do not have meals to eat. So yes, of course, we all are blessed with a lot of things.
Yeah.
And what are the things you're proud of yourself?
like I always respect my parents, and I value the friendship I have with my friends. Yeah,
Okay. You value friendship and you respect elders.
yeah,
That's a very good answer. You must do that. Everyone should do that. We must value whatever we get in our lives. Okay. Okay, now, Naksh, we have a rapid fire round. Okay. I'll be asking you a few questions quickly. You have to answer me quickly. Okay? You can't take time. Your three most favorite food items.
I'm pizza, momos, and pani puri.
Junk again.
Yeah.
Okay. Three most favorite beverages.
Orange juice, Coca-Cola, and Fanta.
Okay. Again, cold drinks only. Okay, orange juice, Coca-Cola, Fanta. Okay. Three most favorite games.
Cricket, badminton, and chess.
Okay, badminton and chess. Okay. Most favorite people.
My parents, my brother, and all my friends.
Three people. We have to name just
Just
three
three.
people. Yes.
My father, my mom, and my brother.
Okay, fine. Okay, next three most favorite subjects.
Math, English, social,
And if you have to name just one,
math,
maths. Most favorite cartoon character.
Doraemon,
Doraemon. Everyone loves Doraemon. Okay. Most favorite superhero.
Iron Man,
This is a common answer. Everyone is saying that. Iron Man and Doraemon. Okay. Most favorite quote.
I'm just told, like when you die, like when you are born, you cry and the world rejoices. Live your life in such a way that when you die, you rejoice and the world cries.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Most favorite sports person.
Virat Kohli.
Most favorite pastime.
What?
Pastime. What do you do in your free time?
Use
How do you
mobile.
spend? Use mobile. Okay. What cheers you up? Three things that cheers you up. Something that cheers you up. आपका मूड खराब है कैसे ठीक हो जाता है?
When I see my parents,
Okay, very nice.
or and I see the respect they are giving to me.
Okay, fine. Three things that annoy you.
Study.
Study annoys you?
Yeah.
And you want to become an IPS officer? Don't tell me.
My brother.
Yes.
My brother
Your brother annoys you. Okay, that is acceptable.
and homework.
Homework annoys you. Okay, please don't give any homework to Naksh because it annoys him. Three words that define you.
Energetic, honest, and loving.
Okay, nice. I love talking to you, Naksh. Very good answers. And this book is for you. Gulliver's Travels, Jonathan Swift. Okay? So this is by Jonathan Swift. The author's name is Jonathan Swift. And the book's name is Gulliver's Travels. It's a very interesting book. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this.
Thank you.
Take it.
Thank
yeah.
you.
And this cup is for you and for...
Next.
Yay. Okay. Naksh, any message you want to give to your viewers now?
I just want to say that I always try to be myself, work hard, and learn new things. I believe in doing my best and help others along the way.
Very good. So with this, we wrap up a session here with the promise to meet with you another time with another guest here. Bye-bye. Till then, take care.